In my hand right here, I have a rub that my mother-in-law and father-in-law bought for me when they took a trip out to New Mexico. This rub is called Santa Fe Seasonings All Natural Desert Blend Grill Rib and Seasoning. I mean, just by the way it looks just like sand, which I love. I love the way it looks. It looks just like sand. So I'm excited to use it. It can be used on many things from eggs, browns, veggies, corn, cob, meats. So I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna try it on some whole chicken, actually split chicken, split it in half, do chicken halves. So I'm gonna try it out, and just the way it looks at it, I know it's going to taste good. So let's get to it. There's the seasoning again. Yeah, get it all in there. Yeah. All right, there it is. All right, so I still got some charcoal briquettes from the first time that I cooked using this charcoal basket right here, so I'm not gonna add any more. I'm gonna just keep the briquettes that I have in there. I'm good with that, with what's in there. I mean, this ain't gonna be no 10+ hour cook, you know, so let's just keep on using what we have right here. It'll get the job done. So I'm gonna let that get up to temp to 275, and then I'm gonna add those chicken halves with that rub, and I'm sure it's gonna taste delicious. I don't know if you could tell, but it was red hot in there. So I'm gonna put the lid on. I don't know if you can tell the bottom, I have it wide open. So I'm gonna put the lid on. Let's get that wide open as well. And then I'm gonna bring it up to 275. All right, I've added the chicken already. Look at that seasoning. Gives it a nice color. So I'm just adding some wood chunks, some that have already been used, some that haven't halfway used. So I got 3 going right there, post oak. But yeah, that's what it is so far right there. The chicken halves with that Santa Fe seasoned rub. All right, let's check out these birds. Look at that. That is nice. Wow, nice color. Nice color too. Yeah, that is nice. I believe we're 40 minutes in. Yeah. All right, let's continue on. All right, I'm gonna add some sausage. Yeah, so I'm gonna place it right there, maybe a little bit closer. I don't want it too close to the heat. But look at that, looking pretty good. Yeah. All right, so let's close it up. Continue on. An hour and 30 minutes in, so let's check it out. Oh yeah. Smells good. We're almost there. We're almost at the end. There it is. And I gotta say, what was left from that first cook I did with the charcoal and what it is now, the charcoal in that basket is legit. But that's what it is. Getting close to taking them off. Oh yeah, look at that. They looking good. They're done. Man, I'm gonna take them off. I'm gonna let it rest for a bit, maybe 5-10 minutes, and then I'm gonna slice into it. Man, I can't wait to see what that rub tastes. And yeah, look at that charcoal, still great. Look at that, an hour and 45 minutes in. Yeah, but I'm taking this off now. All right, man, it smells good. It's a good rub. Oh man, that's nice. Let's see. That desert sand rub. That's nice. That is good. Man. That Santa Fe rub. Right here. I tell you, it looks just like sand. It's good. So I'm not exactly sure where they bought it at when they were in New Mexico, but if you ever come across this, get it. You won't be disappointed. Well, I'm happy that cook's done, because now that means it's time to eat. It's time to eat this delicious chicken right here. Love that breast. So, like always, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone.